Today I'm baking one of my favorite summer desserts, a beautiful plum and raspberry pie with the most delicate, buttery crust and an irresistibly creamy filling. For this recipe, I'm using my favorite pie dough that I always keep in the freezer. Whenever I make it, I prepare a double batch because you never know when unexpected guests might stop by. I'll link that recipe in the pinned comment below. Well-chilled dough is the secret to a beautifully flaky crust. Roll it gently, turning it as you go until it's just a little larger than your pie dish. Instead of stretching the dough too thick, simply let it settle naturally into the corners. Stretching it now can cause the crust to shrink as it bakes. Trim away the excess, leaving just enough dough to create a sturdy edge that will beautifully hold the filling. I always use ripe but still firm plums. They soften nicely in the oven while keeping their shape. And now the filling. It comes together in just a few minutes. It's silky, creamy, and bakes into a texture that's almost like a delicate cheesecake. This simple step takes only a few seconds but makes a noticeable difference. Brushing the crust with egg whites creates a natural seal, preventing a soggy bottom while keeping the crust crisp and buttery. With the crust protected, it's time for the filling. Smooth it gently into an even layer, creating the perfect base for the plums and raspberries. Fresh or frozen raspberries add a little burst of brightness that balance the sweetness of the plums. These are the frozen trimmings from my pie dough. I simply grate them over the top for an extra layer of buttery crispiness and a nice golden finish. And now it's ready for the oven. Bake at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 43 to 45 minutes or until the crust is beautifully golden, the filling is set, and the fruit is tender and bubbly. The crust is impossibly buttery and delicate. The creamy filling melts into the food, and every bite balances sweet, tart, creamy, and crisp textures. Oh, this is absolutely divine. This is the kind of dessert that reminds me why simple seasonal baking is so special. Beautiful ingredients, a buttery homemade crust, and flavors that speak for themselves. I truly hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.